What's your tribute and message to Virat?
No, there's no messages. He's always going to be there in our hearts forever and always.
When you woke up that morning and you saw the Instagram post of Virat Kohli, what did you feel as a fan?
I couldn't even believe it the first time. My friends had informed me first that Kohli had retired, and I didn't believe it. And then I went to Kohli's Instagram page, and then I saw the big passage and everything, and I just couldn't believe it. But yeah, I mean, everybody's time comes to an end, and he had a great tenure in the Indian cricket team. So
फोर्सफुल रिटायरमेंट है, खुद की वजह से नहीं दिया वो बीसीसीआई से
वो
होगा,
कोई
लफड़ा
इश्यू से
होगा।
लिया है हो बट आई रियली थिंक दैट इट इज his individual decision to retire, and I think we should leave it at that.
Because it was an unprecedented retirement by him, so I'm here to support him.
Today you're wearing white. Have you not got your jersey?
No, I don't have a test jersey, but this is my way of showing my love for him.
Why do you think Virat's retired? There's speculations. People are saying internal politics. Do you think any of that comes into the picture? Gambhir?
no, I feel in fact Rohit's decision influenced Virat's because I don't have a specific explanation to go, to support my statement, but I just feel it had to do something with Rohit's decision of retirement. And after the Australian tour, he probably thought that it was time that the next generation takes over.
He's like one of the most fittest cricketers ever, but probably because pressure from BCCI, or maybe he wanted to clear out space for the youngsters.
I think one of the things is his form may have been eating into him, and the other thing that I heard from grapevine is there has been some kind of internal politics which probably has spurred off some early retirements both from Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, what is your favorite memory of his in tests?
in test
The Perth knock 2018.
Yeah.
Perth knock 2018. That's my favorite King Kohli knock.
For me, the greatest Virat Kohli innings is the Melbourne one, wherein we had Pakistan to face,
Yeah,
and then that knock is mesmerizing. The moment you think of it, it just sends the pulse aside. You watch it 100 times, 1,000 times, you will never feel bored about it. That's the greatness of that knock.
Be honest with me. How much of test cricket did you watch because of Virat?
Most of it, all of it actually. It was just for him. If I've watched any of it, it's just for him. Because before Virat, I never watched Test cricket. It was just this for us.
कितना white jerseys होगा अंदर?
90% वाइट जर्सी होगा आज 90%.
I don't know. I have no words to say. I'm just really. It's upsetting at some point, but it's fine.
Yes, he has taken a wise decision. I think he wanted to move on with his personal life and other stuff, and he feels that he can contribute more as an ODI cricketer for the nation, and he would have made the wise choice.
Well spoken. Enjoy your game. Thank you so much. And subscribe to cricket.com. Tell a friend about us.
Thank you. Great.
Everybody subscribe to cricket.com.
Well done.
Subscribe to cricket.com. Thank you.
For more such videos, check out our cricket.com YouTube page.